On today's show, we are going to make a delicious, quick recipe. Now, this is one of William's, and he came over to visit us. Hi, William.
Hello.
Thank you for coming over. We'll talk about some ingredients. It's a chicken fajita spaghetti. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Let's get started. Let's talk about the ingredients. So I have a bag of frozen chicken breasts and I'm going to cut these up. I'm using bell peppers, any color, whether they're red or green, it doesn't matter. Oregano, cumin. These are a very special type of tomato. These are diced. They're fire roasted and they have garlic in them. Then chicken broth, of course, olive oil to cook the chicken, salt and pepper, and pretty much any kind of pasta will work. I picked up this brand right here. Also an onion, can be a yellow onion, a white onion if you want it sharp, and that one happens to be a red onion. Now we also have in the refrigerator half and half. And we have 2 bags of cheese. We have sharp cheddar and Parmesan is the other one?
Pepper jack.
Pepper jack, that's what it is. So we have pepper jack. We got those in the refrigerator staying cold. So the first thing we're going to do is to cook the pasta, and then we're going to cook the meat and cut up all the vegetables and things. Now, we're going to show this to you in short form today because we lost the film. So this is what it looks like to start. This is what it looks like to finish. Give us a little bit of a stir on that, William, and if you want, we can bring it over here and show a picture. Here's the dish. This is what it looks like at the end. I've already tasted it. It tastes delicious. So this is a short video. Thanks for watching. Let us know how you like it when you make it. And thank you to William for coming over, and maybe we'll make it again another day. That's the show. Goodbye for now.